everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing my eyebrows at home all by myself. I've never even gotten my eyebrows done. Brow Code actually reached out and sent me a ton of their products. They sent me like a DIY eyebrow tinting kit, which I've never done before, so I'm excited to see how that changes them. And then they also sent me a laminating process kit, so I'm excited. I have never done this before, so we're gonna see how easy this is. The inside of the box is beautiful and it came with so many things. It came with this brow tinting kit, it came with the coolest little brush and spoolie, like a brow oil, and there are instructions on how to do it, so I'm gonna try and follow them as best as I can. So right now I'm just trying to remove any excess makeup or oils that were on my brows, just so that it's like a nice clean dry space. Okay, so the first step is to use the lamination adhesive. I'm just going to brush my brows up. They're completely dry right now, and then I'm just gonna open my little lamination adhesive. Okay, this dries really quickly, but I think I got it. I don't know if that looks crazy or if that's like correct. Okay, now I'm applying my Perming lotion to the brows. I'm so picky and just indecisive, so I don't know how to like brush them perfectly. Okay, so I have this really cute little roll of brow wrap, and then I have this, like, you know when you're like cutting tin foil or whatever, the boxes have it. So I think that's to cut this. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on. Oh, it like literally sticks to your head, so you don't even need to worry about that. I look so stupid. For thinner brows, you want to do 5 to 7 minutes. For medium to normal brows, you want to do 7 to 8. And then for coarse or stubborn hairs, you want to do like 8 to 9. I definitely have the thickest hair on earth, so I'm gonna do the 8 to 9 minutes. Speaking of hair, my hair is getting so long, like I don't even know what to do with it. This feels really weird. Oh, I'm gonna make a TikTok too, like the process of doing it, so I'm gonna do that in the meantime while this is like laminating. I'm so impatient. I wonder how my eyebrows are gonna look after this. I look crazy right now, but it's all a process. Okay, so now I'm supposed to take this off. I'm just using a dry Q-tip to take off the rest of the, what's it called? Priming solution? Perming solution. Okay, now I'm taking the fixing solution on a clean Q-tip and I'm going to apply that to my eyebrows. Oh god, I should have put my hair up. Watch, it's gonna like laminate my hair too. Sorry, I'm not talking much. I'm just honestly so focused because I don't want to mess up my brows. And this is also really satisfying and like calming to like brush through your brows with like lotion. My like technique is that I'm pushing them all up and then brushing them to the side a little bit. That way they're not like completely stuck up straight, but they still have like the feathery look. I don't know, I'm not a pro. This is my very first time doing this. Okay, now I'm getting some more brow wrap and then we're gonna laminate them again. Okay, now I'm gonna put some more brow wrap on there. And then I'm gonna leave this on for another 8 minutes. All right, now we're gonna take this off. It feels so cold after. And I'm just removing any leftover product with a cotton pad. And now it's time to tint the brows. So I'm just mixing that eyebrow tint with the activator into this little dish. Look how cute this little eyebrow tint is. This is so cute. I feel like I'm dyeing my hair, but like a Barbie version. All right, here we go. I hope this is the right color. My eyebrows are very dark. Sorry, I'm like extremely focused right now. All right, it says to take a cotton tip to just make sure it's brushed through. I'm just wiping away any extra from like parts I don't want it on, like my skin. You're supposed to keep it on for like 1 to 10 minutes depending on how dark you want it. I'm not gonna keep it on as long as 10 minutes, but I feel like 1 minute is like too short, so I'll probably take it off in a couple minutes. It says if you want to create like an ombre look, to remove the tint from the beginning of your brows a few minutes before removing the ends. But for me, I kind of want to darken the like here a little bit more, so I'm not gonna do that. It says to just take a dampened cotton round to take the tint off. I don't know how long to wait for. All right, I think it's time to take it off. It says to take it off by going like away from your face, that way you don't like ruin or like scrub away the tint. All right, my eyebrows do look really dark right now and a little messy because I haven't applied the Keratin Nourish, which is the last step, and also it's gonna like lighten up a little bit. It's just like obviously the most dramatic right after you do it. I'm gonna apply, I'm so excited about this brush because it's like a spoolie and a little brush. I'm gonna apply this throughout my brows. This is like the conditioner of the process. Oh my god, it keeps getting my hair. And this, I believe you leave on for like 2 hours, so I'll have to come back to you guys a little bit later. All right, now I'm done. I'm gonna wait a couple hours, see what it looks like in a bit. Hey guys, it's a little bit later and I'm looking at my eyebrows. I just took off the whatever the last thing was, and I'm looking at my eyebrows. They do look really dark, but I don't know if it's just me. Like maybe on camera they don't seem that dark, but I'm like, every time I look at myself I'm like, ooh, what did I do? But I think it's just because I just did it. The last step is to apply the brow gold. I think this is just to like hydrate your eyebrows and skin after everything you just did to it. I'm just gonna brush it on kind of like that. And I'm just gonna leave this oil on overnight, and I'll come back to you guys tomorrow when I can do my makeup and just kind of have like the actual results. Hey everyone, it's the next day and I wanted to show you guys what my brows are looking like. So it's not that like drastic of a change, but it's really cool because I never filled them in, yet they look like they're filled in, which is definitely because of the tint. My eyebrows are super thick, so it's hard for them to stay in that like feathery position for a long time, but honestly they're doing great. I really do like the look of them. I definitely have to practice the tinting a little bit just because there's some areas where I'm like, I've kept it, like I could have like put it there more, you know. But overall this is actually super fun. I'll do kind of like an up close of my eyebrows. I don't know if it's like actually up close, but they just look full and very nice. So I'm happy and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This product was actually super easy to use, especially for my very first time ever. I've never even watched a video of like doing someone's eyebrows, so considering that, this is a pretty good result. I also posted a TikTok where it shows like the whole process, kind of like this video but in a shorter version, and it's like more up close because this camera and ring light situation, I don't want to get too close, but that's how my brows look. It looks good on TikTok too. I might post like a little Instagram, I don't really know yet, but anyways, these are my brows. And I had so much fun making this video. Thanks again to Brow Code for sending me these products to try out. I had so much fun and I hope you guys did too. Low-key obsessed with my brows right now, especially because I literally didn't fill them in and they look like I filled them in, which is really weird. It's like fake tanner but for your brows. No, not at all actually. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I love you guys so much. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see because I have some ideas, but I don't know if they're like fully there. Also, I am going to move touring on Sunday, so wish me luck. I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.